Good morning. It is a 13th of June today. We are opening our gardens on 1st of July in a few weeks' time to raise some money for a local charity called Wellspring. That is a charity which helps the homeless. There will be two different gardens for you to visit. One is my neighbor's garden, which I should say that all the beautiful flowers, they love Jill's garden. He is out at the minute to deliver some leaflets in the neighboring houses. That is the leaflet which she has been delivering for last few weeks in all the surrounding houses. She has covered a lot of area. That is an invitation card to visit our gardens. In my garden, you will see the grafted roses. On one rose, there will be various varieties of flowers, like one branch having white flower, the next branch having red, the branch next to it, it might have a yellow flower. You can see all those types of roses in my garden. Like that is one plant next to the wall which has been grafted with the various varieties, and now those varieties, as you can see, they are coming up with the new flowers. You might have never seen anything like that anywhere. That is another rose bush next to the wall, and it is coming up with different varieties of buds which will be opening soon. They are just waiting for you to come. Apart from these roses, you will be able to see plum trees which might have 3, 4, 5 different varieties of grafts on one plum tree. There will be a lot of pear trees, and you will be able to see 7, 8, 9 different varieties of pears on each tree, which you can easily recognize the difference by looking at them, their shape, their size, their color. It will be different from the pears on the next branch. You will also be able to see lot of apple trees, which will have some apple trees have 10 varieties, some have 20 varieties, some have 30 varieties, and one of my apple tree, it has 57 different varieties of apples grafted on one tree, and most of those varieties, they have fruit hanging on them. Apart from those apple trees, I have prepared some fruit trees which will have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 different varieties on one tree. Like the tree you can see, that is an apple tree, and that has 4 different varieties grafted onto that one. And while grafting, I have kept in mind their ripening time. So most of the varieties, they have been grafted with some early ripening varieties which will be ready to eat at the end of July or beginning of August. Then they keep ripening up in September, October, November, and right into December. And if you can spare a bit of space away from the heating, where you can put some apples in a box, they will last up to middle of March. I have made a tasting video, and I will put all the links under the video so that you can see how long those varieties will last without any special arrangements of storage like cold storage. They can survive just in normal weather if they are stored away from the heating. Rest of the things, as soon as my neighbor comes back from delivering the leaflets, she will explain what else will be available on that open garden. We will request all of you to come and see the gardens and enjoy a nice family day. We will be taking some photographs which will be going on YouTube, and I should request that if anybody doesn't want their photos to be published on YouTube, they should let us know beforehand.
Hello, I'm Jill. I'm Nazi's neighbour, and I've come to tell you a few more things about our open garden day on July the 1st. It's going to be a lovely occasion. We did it last year, and all the people who came really enjoyed themselves. As well as the beautiful plants that we will have for sale, all sorts of plants, flowers, bushes and specialist plants, including Nazi's grafted plants. So we've also got some light refreshments, cakes, scones, some delicious Asian food, and tea, coffee and cold drinks will be available. For the children, we will have face painting, which we know they all enjoy, and also decorate a cake, which is a new venture this year. Though there will be a bottle tombola, which is usually a good attraction for a lot of people, and we have a craft stall, and many friends have donated beautiful things that they have made for our craft stall, and they can be bought on the day. Apart from these, we have a local art display. It's going to be in my shed, but Marge, the lady who leads the art group, is going to display works of art that her group have made throughout the year. And Stockport Libraries, Shelley from Stockport Libraries is coming with lots of information, some about allotments, some about the leisure key, which could be very useful to some people, and various things about gardening and how to find out about gardening topics through the library website. There will be some entertainment during the day. We have a local ukulele group who will perform for us, and also a community choir from Stockport that's based in Strines, led by Kami. They will be coming to perform. So there's lots of things to see and do. And also, when you're having refreshments, or if you just want a little rest and a sit down, there will be plenty of seating through the two gardens. It will be easy to get to the two gardens because we take a fence panel out between our gardens to allow easy access. Do hope that you will all come and enjoy our lovely day. Thank you. All the proceeds from our special day will go to the Wellspring charity. So it is a really good cause to come and support. Thank you.
I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me once, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, you can subscribe to my channel and you will have easy access to me and to my videos. Thank you.